The best countertop ice makers in 2026? From fast freezing performance to quiet operation and easy cleaning, we've compared the top models for every budget and kitchen. Stay tuned to find your perfect match and upgrade your drinks today. Links in the description. Now, summer parties, offices, campers, families everywhere. Choose smarter with expert tips, reviews, buying guide this year ahead. Now, number 5. The Simzlife 26 pounds Daily Bullet Ice Countertop Ice Maker is a practical and stylish solution for anyone who wants fresh ice without relying on freezer trays or store-bought bags. Designed for kitchens, home bars, recreational vehicles, camping trips, and parties, this compact machine offers convenience in a small footprint while maintaining dependable daily performance. One of its best features is fast ice production. The machine can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 minutes, making it ideal for quick drink refills or unexpected guests. With a total output of up to 26 pounds in 24 hours, it can easily support daily household use or small gatherings. The bullet ice shape is smooth and easy to chew, making it suitable for soft drinks, iced coffee, juice, and cocktails. The compact size helps it fit neatly on most countertops, while the built-in handle makes moving it simple. Whether you need ice in the kitchen, office, or outdoor setting, portability is a strong advantage. It also includes a removable ice basket and ice scoop, which adds convenience during serving and cleaning. Another standout feature is the self-cleaning mode. A 15-minute cleaning cycle helps maintain hygiene and reduces manual maintenance. The LED control panel is user-friendly and clearly alerts you when water is low or when the ice basket is full. Performance is quiet thanks to the efficient compressor, so it will not create much disturbance in your home. Keep in mind that ice stored in the basket may melt over time in warm conditions, so it is best transferred to a freezer for longer storage. Overall, the Simzlife IM18D is an affordable, efficient, and attractive countertop ice maker that delivers speed, portability, and everyday convenience. Number 4, the Antarctic Star 26 pound Daily Production Bullet Ice Countertop Ice Maker SZ58ZBJ12H is a compact and convenient appliance designed for anyone who wants fresh ice quickly at home, in the office, or during gatherings. With a portable design and simple controls, it offers an easy way to enjoy cold drinks without waiting for freezer trays. One of the strongest features of this machine is its fast ice production. It can create 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 to 13 minutes, depending on room temperature and water conditions. With a total production capacity of up to 26 pounds in 24 hours, it provides enough ice for daily family use, parties, or small events. The bullet-shaped cubes are smooth and rounded, making them ideal for iced coffee, soft drinks, juices, and cocktails. The compact body is a major advantage for smaller kitchens or limited counter space. It also includes a carrying handle, making it easy to move between rooms or take along to cabins, offices, or outdoor gatherings. The transparent top lid allows users to watch the ice making process, which adds convenience and lets you monitor progress without opening the machine. Operation is simple thanks to the one-button control system and clear indicator lights. Alerts help users know when to add water or remove ice. The self-cleaning feature is another welcome addition, helping maintain freshness and reducing manual cleaning effort. Noise levels are low at around 38 decibels, so it operates quietly in most environments. As with most countertop ice makers, it is best to transfer finished ice to a freezer for long-term storage. Overall, the Antarctic Star SZ58ZBJ12H is an efficient, user-friendly, and portable ice maker that combines speed, quiet performance, and practical features at a budget-friendly price. Number 3, the ColorLife 35 pound Nugget Stainless Steel Kitchen Countertop Ice Maker IMWY36XT is an excellent option for people who love soft, chewable nugget ice at home. Designed with a sleek stainless steel finish and compact footprint, this machine combines style, convenience, and strong performance for kitchens, offices, camping trips, and parties. Its biggest highlight is the ability to produce nugget-style ice, often called pebble ice, which is popular for its crunchy texture and ability to absorb drink flavors. This type of ice is perfect for soft drinks, iced coffee, smoothies, and cocktails. Unlike hard traditional cubes, nugget ice is easier to chew and creates a more enjoyable drinking experience. Performance is impressive for a countertop unit. The machine can begin producing fresh ice in as little as 7 minutes, making it ideal when guests arrive or when you need ice quickly. With a daily production capacity of up to 35 pounds, it provides more than enough ice for regular household use or social gatherings. The 1.1 liter water tank helps maintain steady output throughout the day. Operation is very simple. Users only need to press the ice button to begin production, making it friendly for beginners and convenient for everyday use. The included scoop, removable ice bin, and filter add extra practicality and make serving easier. Another strong point is its quiet performance. With noise levels below 47 decibels, it works without causing much disturbance, which is useful in open kitchens or office settings. Its compact size also allows it to fit on most countertops while remaining easy to move when needed. Overall, the ColorLife IMWY36XT is a stylish and efficient nugget ice maker that delivers quick production, satisfying chewable ice, and user-friendly operation. It is a great choice for anyone who wants premium ice at home. Number 2, the Havado 34-pound Daily Production Nugget. Clear Ice Portable Ice Maker SZZ58FX0016 is a compact and efficient solution for anyone who enjoys fresh, chewable ice at home, in the office, or during outdoor activities. Designed with convenience and performance in mind, it delivers a steady supply of nugget-style ice that enhances the taste and experience of beverages. One of the most appealing features of this ice maker is its ability to produce up to 34 pounds of ice in a single day. With a quick start time after adding water, it ensures that users do not have to wait long to enjoy fresh ice. The machine is well suited for parties, coffee lovers, camping trips, and small businesses that require consistent ice production throughout the day. The nugget ice it produces is soft, chewable, and highly enjoyable. Unlike traditional hard cubes, this type of ice blends easily with drinks and absorbs flavor, making beverages more refreshing. It is ideal for soft drinks, iced coffee, smoothies, and cocktails. Ease of use is another strong point. The simple control panel allows users to start ice making with minimal effort. A transparent lid lets you monitor the process, while indicator lights clearly show when the ice basket is full or when water needs to be added. The included scoop and removable ice bin make serving and handling ice more convenient. Maintenance is also made simple with the self-cleaning function. By holding the cleaning button, the machine runs a 15-minute cleaning cycle that helps maintain hygiene without extra effort. Its compact size allows it to fit easily on most countertops, making it suitable for small kitchens and portable use. Although it produces some noise during operation, it is comparable to normal conversation levels. Overall, the Havado SZZ58FX0016 is a reliable, user-friendly, and efficient nugget ice maker that delivers great value and everyday convenience. Number 1. The Newair Countertop Ice Maker AI100SS is a compact and efficient appliance designed to provide a steady supply of ice for home entertaining and daily use. It produces up to 28 pounds of bullet-shaped ice per day, making it suitable for families, small gatherings, and personal refreshment needs. Its sleek design allows it to blend well with modern kitchen spaces while remaining portable enough for different locations. It features 3 ice sizes, allowing users to select the most appropriate option for different drinks and occasions. The machine uses a fast freezing system that can produce a new batch of ice approximately every 10 minutes, ensuring that ice is always available when needed. The insulated storage compartment helps keep ice colder for longer periods, reducing melting and waste. Operation is simple with a 2-button control system that makes startup easy even for first-time users. BPA-free parts provide added safety for drinking water, giving users peace of mind. The included ice scoop and removable bin improve convenience during serving and cleaning. The Newair Countertop Ice Maker offers reliable performance, stylish design, and user-friendly operation. It is a practical choice for anyone who wants fresh ice quickly without relying on traditional freezer trays. It also works well for parties, home kitchens, offices, and small gatherings, providing consistent ice production throughout the day. Its compact size makes it easy to place on countertops without occupying too much space, while its modern finish adds visual appeal to any environment setting. Thanks for watching our guide to the best countertop ice makers in 2026. We hope this list helped you find the perfect machine for your home office or next party. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments below. See you in the next video, and stay cool always, everyone.